This is real talk.
Real talk.
The cake. But we give Jamaica 2 extra lives then. So it's Jamaica plus 5. Guys, what is wrong with the Jamaicans? What is wrong with the Jamaicans? Jamaicans get plus 5. Oh my God, bro. And Roman sends one. Roman, who is it for? Guys, it's still race number 1. Matt sends one. Guys, going too crazy. Gloomy, you're a crazy Jamaican supporter. Guys, who is it for, Roman? Roman and Matt, who is it for? Roman, Matt, I need you in the chat. Guys, it's all about love, all about fun. Don't forget, it is just a game, okay?
Hey, yo, welcome back to the brand new channel. This is Real Talk. Real Talk is a current affair channel. We talk everything Jamaican. We don't have no boundary, we don't have no limitation. We talk about every topic. Long as it for discuss, we are going to discuss it. So, I beg you know, like the video and please subscribe, get me to 1,000 subscribers. So, I scroll on TikTok and run up on the live stream here where the person I play a board game, a marble game, well, a marble racing game with most of the countries involved. But I notice I see Jamaica in the top 5. And I say Jamaica always done everything, and Jamaica is so competitive because you see the game here, you have to use the most expensive gift to keep your country in the race. So for example, you can buy, so basically you buy life. So you know, like when you play a game and you have 5 life, and each time you're dead, your life go down until it run out to 1. But in other game, even if it run out to 1, you can use a galaxy or one gift, one wheel or something and bring it back. So only time you lose is when the money done. And Jamaica they night right too. So see all of the country them there where you look upon, yeah, all of them their money run out, and Jamaica still have money in the game. Jamaica they in the top 5, Jamaica they in the top 3. I'm not gonna tell you who win because that I gonna take away everything from it. But me did enjoy it and me did just intrigue. And we just find it interesting to say, yo, Jamaica just staying at everything, and Jamaica is so competitive because if you notice, you see, whole heap of marble, and all you need for do, I just buy your country. Just buy your country and enter the race. And Jamaica they unite all round, right through Jamaica they unite because Jamaica just competitive, them no want lose. You understand? And whenever they get for record the party, but the brother will create the board game, him say him have it go on for about 3 weeks. And somebody go in him inbox and say, so what happened to the Jamaican them? Him say him never know nothing about Jamaica, but him put the Jamaican marble in it, and from him do that, the amount of money we make. So we are going to play it from right, so open and enjoy. Me, they just find it intriguing. You see me? If you know how Jamaica competitive, but we're going to kick it off right or so.
Kosovo, top 5 in 3, 2, 1. Let's race. Guys, I need the like spike to 100,000 though. I need the like spike to 100,000 though. Let's go for it. We are the Germans in the chat. Do we have Swiss people in the chat? It's Switzerland in the back. Switzerland does not have an extra life. I am German, but I support Kosovo. W. Let's go against Switzerland in the back. Can the Swiss find a way? His identity is a secret. There you go. Guys, if you know my identity, help me to keep it a secret. It's Switzerland in the bag. Switzerland! Oh my God, I thought for a second it's sniping. I thought for a moment it is sniping. Switzerland is eliminated, doesn't have an extra life. So Switzerland is out. Top 4. Let's go, guys. Switzerland just lost 2 times in a row. You're Swedish? Oh, come on, maybe. It's Albania, Jamaica. It is Kosovo, it's Germany. Guys, by the way, I love the positivity. Please keep it like this. Guys, it's all about fun and love, alright? If you win, go crazy. If you lose, guys, GG's. It's a game in the end of the day. It's Albania, Jamaica, a universe for face reveal. That would be crazy. But no, guys. Kosovo, Germany, top 4, guys. Let's race. The race is on. Race is on. But guys, we will add lions and universes as well on request. But guys, I have to think about something very special for that. It's Germany in the back. Can Germany find a way? Can Germany find a way? Jamaica still plus 4, guys. Jamaica still plus 4. The Jamaicans going crazy for Jamaica. Guys, it is a race of the supporters right now. It is Germany in the back. Can Germany find a way? Last chance is Germany. Germany loses one of the extra lives. This means Germany +1. Germany +1. Still a top 4. Come on, Jamaica, says someone. There you go, guys. Top 4. It is Albania. It is Kosovo. It is Jamaica. It is Germany. Top 4, guys. Let's go in 5, 4, 3. I see a lot of Albanians in the chat. 2, 1. Still in the game, Matt. Let's go. Let's race. Redon says, come on, Albania. Guys, it's Kosovo in the back. It's still race number 1. You guys are too insane, guys. We're looking for 100,000 likes, though. Let's go for it. It's Kosovo in the back. It is Kosovo in the back. Cavalier says Jamaica. It's Kosovo in the back. Can Kosovo find a way? Kosovo does have an extra life, but can Kosovo save it somehow? There you go, guys. It's Kosovo in the back still. Kosovo is the last one. Loses the extra life. So Kosovo does not have an extra life anymore. There you go. Top 4 still. That's crazy. Lion for instant win. Something like that. Matt sends another one for Germany. Matt, correct me if I'm wrong. Germany gets 2 more. Germany gets 2 more. Guys, Wishing Cake is an extra life. Or Revive Galaxy is a ban or unban. Germany gets 2 more. So it's Jamaica 4, Germany 3, Albania 1, and the rest have 0. Matt, W Matt, if you're a German fan. Lows. Matt, Leon sends another one. Leon, who is it for? For Albania, right? Leon sends 2. Leon, who is it for? Let's get started with this race. Albania and Kosovo get 1. Albania has a second one. Kosovo gets another one. Guys, it's Jamaicans, Albanians, and Germans. Let's race. W Leon, if you're an Albania or Kosovo supporter, it's Albania in the back. Guys, it's all about fun. It's all about positivity. It's all about races. And guys, at this moment, it's all about support. It's Albania in the back overtaking Germany. Can Germany find a way? Germany in the back. Can Germany find it? It's all handmade. Yes, guys, it's all handmade. Germany goes left. Last chance, overtakes. Kosovo loses the extra life. Kosovo loses the extra life. The last day is going to be like this, guys. We're going to change it. Top 3. You got to go. Have a great day. To everyone, yo, Matt, you're a legend. W again for the German support. See you in the next one. We love you, bro. The flag racing community says bye-bye. It's Albania, Jamaica, Kosovo. Jamaica can't lose. Are you sure about that? Let's go, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Let's race. Let's go. Leon is holding Kosovo and Albania on his back. Bro, he is. W Leon, if you support these 2 countries. There you go, guys. It's Albania in the back. Can Albania find a way? Albania in the back together with Jamaica. Overtakes Jamaica. Can Jamaica find a way? Pushes Albania. Kosovo's all the way in front. Kosovo's on fire. It's Albania and Jamaica in the back. Jamaica must win. Come on, Jamaica. Can Jamaica find something? Last chances. Anna, you're a legend. Jamaica loses 1. Jamaica does not have extra lives anymore. It's Albania +1, Kosovo +2, and Jamaica 0. So if Jamaica loses, it's out. Guys, will this race finally find an end? Let's go, guys. It's Jamaica, Albania, and Kosovo. Top 3 situation. This community is all about love. That is true. Top 3 in 5, 4, 3, 1. We got 120. Let's race. Let's go, guys. The race is on. Kosovo has 2 extra, no wait, yes, 2 extra lives. It does have 2 extra lives. It's Kosovo in the back. You can revive any flag you want, guys. El Professor with the 6 roses, let's go. It's Albania in the back. Can Albania find a way? Albania still in the back. Albania can't find it. Albania loses the extra life. So the only marble left with extra lives is Kosovo. Let's go, guys. It is Kosovo, Jamaica against Albania. Let's go, guys. 1 versus 1 versus 1. Kosovo, Albania, Jamaica. Let's go, guys. This is still race number 1. This is still race number 1, which is crazy. Top 3, guys, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's race. Let's go, guys. The race is on. Guys, it's all about love. It's all about fun. It's all about sportsmanship, guys. Let's go. It's Kosovo in the back. Can Kosovo find a way? Can Kosovo find a way? Leon sends another one. Leon, that has to be for Albania, right? It's Kosovo in the back. Overtakes Jamaica. Jamaica in the back. No. Leon says Albania. I got you, Leon. Jamaica in the back. Last chances for Jamaica. Will Jamaica finally be eliminated? Jamaica is out and Albania gets a +1. But if Jeff says no, Jamaica back in. It's Albania +1. It's Kosovo +2. And it's Jamaica still in the race. It's Jeff is holding on to it. It's Jeff is holding on to it. Guys, revive for extra life with wishing cake. If you're crazy, you can ban, guys. Ban does not work in a 1 versus 1. You can ban every time, but not when it's only 2 left. You cannot cheat in the win like that. It is Albania, Jamaica, Kosovo. Let's go, guys. In 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I love the Jamaican spirit. Me too, bro. Let's race. The race is on. It's Albania in the back. Can the Albanians find a way? Can the Albanians find a way? Valon, bro, we have rules to this. We have rules to this. Let's go, guys. We're gonna keep the rules like this today. It's all about love. That is true, guys. No matter where you're from, we support all of them. We support all of them because we're all humans in the end of the day. It's all about fun, guys. Don't forget, this is just a game. It is just a game. It's about fun. It's about who is the fastest and who has the biggest supporters. Kosovo's on fire, but Albania loses the extra life. Albania is not on the race, on the board anymore, but it's still in the race. Only one with extra lives is Kosovo, +2. You guys ready? +2. Let's go. We have Jamaica, Kosovo, Albania. Guys, you can revive or give an extra life with a wishing cake. You can ban with the galaxy. Top 3 is Jamaica, Kosovo, Albania. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's race. The race is on. One Rich says Jamaica. There you go, guys. Jamaica in the back. Can Jamaica find a way? Oh my god, Jamaica's on fire. Goes middle. It's Albania in the back. Can the Albanians find a way? Can the Albanians find a way? Last chance for Albania. Guys, today's the last day we have the racetrack like this. I'm gonna change the racetrack for the future streams. It's Albania in the back. Last chances. Goes middle. Can't find it. Albania's eliminated. It's Jamaica against Kosovo. But Kosovo has 2 extra lives. So if Jamaica loses, it's over. If Kosovo loses, we go on, guys. Will it finally be over? It's Jeff Sanson for Jamaica. So it's Jeff. Does not want to risk it. +1 for Jamaica. Jamaica +1. Kosovo +2. Let's go, guys. Top 2 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, the Jamaicans are very strong, guys. Jamaicans are very strong. Let's race. It is on. It's Jamaica in the back. Guys, if you're new here, it's all about fun. It's all about love. If you don't like it, guys, it's not your stream. If you like it, you are a legend. Let's go, guys. Don't forget, in the end of the day, it is just a game. It is Jamaica in the bag. Can Jamaica find a way? Let's go, guys. Are you gonna stream tomorrow? Well, guys, Eve sent one for Albania, right? Guys, I have bad news for you. I have bad news for you. Eve, that's for Albania, right? Kosovo is in. Jamaica loses the extra life. Who are we reviving? Jamaica loses the extra life. Who are we reviving? Was it Albania? It's Jeff sends another one for Jamaica. It was Albania. +1. That has to be for Albania, right? Was it for Albania? The extra life? Extra life was for Jamaica? I cannot pronounce the name. It has to be Albania, right? It is Albania? Mods, I need you. Was it Albania? It was Albania? Okay. I got you guys. It's Albania, Jamaica, and Kosovo. Kosovo has +2, Jamaica +1. Guys, this race is still not over yet. Which flag has the biggest supporters in the question right now? Let's go, guys. Let's race in 3, 2, 1. Let's race. The race is on. It's Albania in the back. Guys, you can revive any flag you want. It's Albania still in the back. Albania does not have an extra life. It's Kosovo in the back. Can Kosovo find a way? Kosovo still in the back. It's gonna be a close one. This is gonna be a close one. Oh, Kosovo messed it up. Can Kosovo find a way? Guys, this is real life flag racing. Kosovo goes left. Last chances. Oh, Albania's stuck. Albania has to do a 1 versus 1 against Kosovo. Jamaica is safe. Albania against Kosovo in a 1 versus 1. Let's go, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Let's race. Guys, I'm still new to this, guys. We didn't even make it 1 month yet, but we're going crazy already. Let's go, guys. Yo, Jess, you are a legend. It's Kosovo in the bag. Lupo with the heart. Lupo, bro. Much love to Albania. It's Kosovo in the bag. Guys, everyone is welcome. This is flag racing. Flag racing is for all because we're all humans. Only aliens are not invited, guys. It's Kosovo in the bag. Yo, Lupo with the love, bro. I love you too, Kosovo. With the push. Eliminates Albania. Final battle. Jamaica against Kosovo. What a play by Kosovo. It is Jamaica against Kosovo. Guys, final battle. Final race, I should say. Jamaica against Kosovo. Both have extra lives. +1 Jamaica, +2 Kosovo in 3, 2, 1. Let's race. The race is on. Jamaica against Kosovo. Yo, Lupo, I love you too. Tedua to the Albanians. You taught me that. It's Kosovo in the back. I know Haide and Tedua, guys. That's what I know. But I don't know any Jamaican. Guys, the Jamaicans have to teach me something. It's Kosovo in the back. Yo, Lupo, you're going crazy with the I love yous. We love you too, bro. The flag racers love you too. It's Kosovo in the back. Can Kosovo find a way? Kosovo can't find it. Jamaica clears. Kosovo loses 1 extra life. So both +1. It's still not over yet, guys. It is still not over yet. Both are safe, guys. Both are safe from elimination. Both have an extra life. It's Kosovo against Jamaica in 3, 2, 1. Let's race. The race is on. Guys, we're live every day, but guys, we're gonna have bad news for you later. I have bad news for you later, guys. Because, guys, tomorrow I have to drive away, and guys, we're gonna go and work outside of my city. I'm gonna be away for 1 whole week. Guys, I'm about to cry, but it is what it is, guys. The work has to be done. I'm gonna be away for 1 whole week. It's Jamaica sniping. Kosovo loses the extra life. Okay, guys, is it finally over? Jamaica has +1, so Jamaica is safe. If Kosovo loses, it's over. Let's go, guys. It's Jamaicans against Kosovo. Are you... Guys, if Kosovo loses, it's over. Let's go. Final countdown in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's race. All right, guys. If Kosovo loses, it's over. But Kosovo makes it. Kosovo is leading. Jamaica overtakes, though. Can Jamaica do it? Jamaica goes not middle. Can Kosovo find a way? Can the Kosovo people find a way? Take the race trick with you? That would be insane. It's a little bit too big, bro. Guys, I think Jamaica has it. I think Jamaica has it. Jamaica secures the W. We have no more extra lives on the board. Jamaica is the winner. GG's Leon, bro. That was too late. Leon, bro. That was too late, Leon. No way. Kosovo's eliminated. Jamaica won it. But Leon, I will write it down, bro. I will write it down. Let's go. No, guys, when I start the race, it's too late. Once I start the race, it's too late. Leon, bro, I cannot bring it back. The race is over, Leon. Bro, it was too late. But W. Guys, I give you 1 final countdown before I start the race. After I start the race, it's done. After I start the race, it's done. Of course, it was late. GG's for the Jamaicans. But Leon, you get 1 saved. Jamaica is the winner of this one. Guys, I have some time left, guys. We can do race 2 as well. Leon, you have 1 revive saved. Leon, I wrote you down, bro. I got you. Guys, every time when it's a 1 versus 1, I give you 1 final countdown. After I start the race, guys, at this point, it's over, guys. At this point, it's over. While they are racing, guys, it's too late. And guys, it was over already. Jamaica took it. W to the Albanians, though. Guys, we're doing race number 2 as well.
Yeah, man, they're averaging up people. Jamaica the winner. And come on, who you think that I go win? Who you expect that I go win? Even though if you watch the entire thing and you never skip out none of it, when it reaches the top 2 and Jamaica get eliminated and somebody pay for bring back Jamaica right there, so did I get really competitive and excited. Me never know who did I go win while me I watch it live. But very entertaining little match, little board game. And like I said earlier, him have the game a go on for about 3 weeks with no Jamaican in it, and somebody tell him say, if you make this thing excited, add some Jamaican. Him not have a clue about Jamaican, but him just take the person advice and get the Jamaica marble, and I just be excitement. Jamaica they in the top 10, the top 5, the top 3, Jamaica win. And like him go again. Me never watch it again, but I can't tell us that Jamaica are going in the top 5 all over again. But people, if you have reached the end and you watch it this far, remember to subscribe and like the video. Set the notification bell to all, and I see you again in the next upload with a different topic.
This is Real Talk.
Real talk.